What do you do when you've made a mistake? We try to put our best foot forward, especially when we're putting stuff online, whether it's a video, a blog, an email, a live, a video. And I thought, how fitting. I've got my hat on because my hair's not washed. I'm not wearing makeup and everything's not all polished, but I just received an email, and I do appreciate from my colleagues and friends and my whole community all the time, whether it's suggestions, recommendations, or even those emails that catch something that was a mistake. Those are hard for me, to be honest. We always try to be as perfect as possible when we're sending out an email and crafting it. And I try to catch all the typos or spelling mistakes and carefully look over things, but every once in a while, something gets past me. And the thing with the emails that go out to everyone on my email list, after it's been sent, I can't edit it. So when something is caught, it's there, and now I know everybody else can see it. So sometimes we just have to give ourselves grace, try to catch it next time. But I thought I would address this in this week's video of how do you process making mistakes. I do think of it as learning opportunities, but it does sting when something has gone out and kind of misrepresents me, and that's kind of hard. Because I am diligent in trying to care about all of that stuff. So I thought I would just make a little video and just kind of share about that topic and ask you how you feel about finding out about mistakes after the fact, or do you let it hold you back? Because especially when we're putting out videos or any creations and content that we're working on, we can spend a lot of time to perfect it. And it's a fine balancing act for our businesses or for the time that we're investing in any particular task. We want it to represent us well. We want it to make an impact, and we want to make a difference. So when we are putting time into content, sometimes we can spend too much time on it and not spend it on other things we need to be working on. We might catch mistakes later, or for some people, it holds them back from doing it at all, which is not great. If we're waiting for that perfection, we can grow and learn, especially when it comes to videos, by playing around with how we edit, how we create, how we are on camera, and just put it out there anyways. So this is a little special added video for this week on YouTube. A little extra bonus in a week that we're celebrating reaching over 100 subscribers on YouTube. And I want to thank you for that. So thanks for checking out this video. My name is Patricia Regier. This is Regier Educational Services, and I appreciate you checking out the videos here on our YouTube channel. Please take a look at the other ones. There are so many great resources, step-by-step instructions. Not all of them are just a blog style, but I certainly do love this style, and especially being able to get creative with it. And every Tuesday we do have a video, includes a link to a blog and podcast, and sometimes additional resources. When you're on our email list, you get access to extra supports and resources. So check it out. There's links below. Every Tuesday there's a new video, but sometimes there'll be extra ones like this. And if you are subscribed, you'll get notified. Thank you again. My name is Patricia. I hope you have a light bulb learning moment today and that you're able to reach and engage the variety in your audience.